What are you doing? I am brushing my teeth. What are you eating? I am eating an apple. What are you drinking? I am drinking milk. Where are you going? I am going to school. What are you wearing? I am wearing a hat. What are you reading? I am reading a book. What are you writing? I'm writing in my notebook. What are you looking at? I'm looking at the mirror. What are you holding? I'm holding my school bag. What are you listening to? I am listening to music. What are you watching? I'm watching cartoons. What are you playing with? I am playing with my doll. What are you getting? I'm getting bags. What are you cleaning? I'm cleaning the table. What are you washing? I'm washing my hands. Can you write your name? Yes, I can write my name. Can you climb the tree? Yes, I can climb the tree. Are you dancing? Yes, I'm dancing. Who are you helping? I'm helping my mother. Who are you calling? I'm calling my father. What are you blending? I'm blending flowers.